Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Today I came up with another video on Hansa Solutions, which is for 4.5 to 6 LPA, and it is located in Hyderabad. It is also an on-campus placement which is occurred in 2025 January. Okay, let us going into the video. Before that, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe, share and like my videos. If already a subscriber, please hit a like so that it motivates me to do more and more videos for you. Okay, let us going into the video. Round 1, I have already given the information in my previous video about the all the rounds. Okay, I'm just giving you the little bit okay information. Round 1 is aptitude, verbal and quant questions. Round 2 is theory objective coding questions. That means you have to choose the options, you no need to code anything. Okay, 50 questions, each half mark, and every round is an elimination round, so that you should be very careful. And round 3 is a deciding role with for front end developer and product analyst. Front end developer is given with pseudo codes, whereas product analyst is simple maths, reasoning and decision making. Okay, going to the round 4. Going into the round 4, it is for it is also an elimination round. For front end developer, they have given a pen and paper test, coding related question. In this video we are going to see that question. Okay, for product analyst, they have given the questions on SQL. Okay, now let us see the coding questions which is faced by the front end developer. Okay, design a program that is not a Python program. You can give any coding language. Okay, using object oriented principles to manage the supermarket inventory system. Your program should include the following functionalities. Okay, first functionalities: add items to the inventory. That means the supermarket owner should add the items including their names, prices and quantities and qualities. That means you should create a class that should consist all these things. That means you can add the items, you should write that function, okay, which takes their names, prices and quantities. Okay, you should write that function. You can use all the OOPS concepts such as inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, everything, but you have to implement this. Okay, this function you have to implement, which adds the items. Okay, then the second one is displays the available items. Okay, list all the available items along with their prices, quantities. Okay, now the third one is customer purchases. Allow a customer to purchase items by specifying the name and quality. Calculate the total bill. Okay, this is the third one. This is the third function. Okay, these are the functions you should implement. Okay, and these are the things should be included. And the fourth function is check stock availability. Verify if an item is in stock or out of stock before processing a purchase. That means if you went to the market, the customer should able to know whether the thing is out of stock or not. Okay, that is the excuse me, that is the fourth function. And fifth function is sales analysis. That means maintain sales data and determine which item generated the maximum profit and generated the least profit. And you should able to also tell the yearly stock analysis. Okay, these are the functions you should maintain in your code. Okay, this is the question they have given for the front end developer. You have to maintain all the functions and all the things should be needed, like their names, prices, qualities and yearly analysis and stock availability. Okay, everything. Okay, this is the question. Try to implement the question. If you haven't get please put it in the comment section so that I will make a video on that. Okay, let us going into the round 5 is interview. If you want the questions which are asked in the interview, please put it in the comment section. I will make a video. Okay, I hope you got with this question. Okay, this is the question they have given in the exam. If you haven't subscribed it, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.